Tell me the make, model, and the year of your bike.
Yeah, it's a KTM Adventure 1190, 2014.
2014.
Yeah.
How long you been riding, and is this your first bike or this bike number what for you?
Been riding since I was 13 years old.
Okay.
So it's been a while.
And this is bike number what?
I probably lost the count.
You had so many?
I had so many. I should have kept it, but I need to go back to
Oh,
it.
no problem. So probably 20, 30 bikes you've had over...
Not as many, actually. Probably, I think I would say under 20.
Under 20 bikes,
20,
okay.
yeah.
Right now, is it the only bike you have?
No, I have too many bikes now. We do enduro racing as well, so I have 2 off-road bikes.
2 off-road bikes, okay.
And 1 project bike, like a vintage bike.
Okay. When you bought this, did you buy it new, used, or what?
I bought it second-hand. It was
Used.
barely used, yeah.
Okay.
It was
How many miles did it have when you bought it?
I had like 1,100 miles.
And how many miles does it have now?
I think it's just about 16,000.
16,000
Yeah.
miles. Wow.
Yeah.
And you said off-road, so basically that's why you got it. You probably ride this off-road also?
It's a dual. It's
You-
a dual. Yeah, you can go off-road on it. And
What is your riding style with this bike?
they call adventure.
Yeah.
Adventure style, so it's good for long trips.
So you do long trips in it?
Not today.
Okay.
Yeah, but we do like long stints, 3-4 day trips, or a week long.
Oh, week-long trip?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I've
okay,
done
okay.
those. Yeah.
Do you come here often to Bikes and Breakfast?
I do come here, not every time, but
Okay.
we do come because I'm locally
Oh, you're in this
from
area?
this area. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Are you going to come visit the next Bikes and Breakfast probably in Virginia somewhere?
Though I love that one. It's a small historical town.
Oh, you mean the Clifton, Virginia?
Clifton,
That's the
Virginia.
biggest one.
Yeah,
Like they have
yes.
like 400, 500 bikers
Yes,
over there.
I
You come
love
to that?
one. I love that
Oh,
one.
you
I
do?
usually go to this one and that one.
That one, okay. Those are your favorites, huh?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Well, we don't get a lot of KTM, so it's nice meeting you.
Sure.
I know that KTM just merged with MV Agusta.
Yeah, I think they acquired a percentage of
Yes,
it.
they acquired a
yes,
percentage of it. So I think maybe they will also push even more KTMs over here because I don't see too many here. Yeah. How's the service? Do you do it yourself?
I am mechanically handy, so
Oh, you
I've
are?
done a good amount.
Okay.
There is things that you have to have diagnostics electronically. Then
Okay.
you have to take it to the dealer, but the basic brake, oil change.
You do it yourself?
Air filter.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. But on the adventure segment, there is a good amount of KTMs out there.
All KTMs are there. Yeah, in this area we see more like the GS or the 1300 or the 1250,
Very
the BMW
popular bikes, very
is very
popular
popular.
bikes, yeah.
So that's what I was comparing it to. We
Right.
see those a lot more than the KTM.
Yes, no.
That's what I meant.
Yeah. The GS, they have a huge chunk of the
Following.
market. Yeah.
Yeah, they have a huge following and all that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, but I love them. I love the weight to power ratio is just insane.
There you
It's
go.
a
That's what
very-
I wanted to hear.
Yeah, it's a very nimble bike, very
Okay.
powerful bike.
So-
it's a fit to win.
Okay.
So there is a lot of torque on it.
I was gonna ask you, is it does the torque mid-range, low, or does it go on a higher RPM, or is it throughout the band?
It's throughout the band.
It's
I
throughout
found
the
that,
band?
Yes,
It
this
is,
bike
okay.
has a lower,
Okay.
has a mid, and then if you open up on the high, this thing goes.
This is a beast,
You
huh?
better. Like I came from a sport touring bike from
Oh.
Honda.
Oh, you did? Okay.
VFR, so
Okay.
I had that for like over 10 years. I absolutely, it was probably one of the best bikes. I loved it, the
Yeah.
package of it, and it was 800cc.
Okay.
This is basically 1200, so it's a
1200,
lot
yeah.
more.
Yeah.
But I was like, whoa, wait a minute, this RRR, the package.
Yeah.
This is like a 10-year-old bike, but that's I think when they first started like the 4 modes,
Okay.
riding modes. If you put in the sport mode, this bike delivers it. You better hold on to it.
Yeah. So has it changed a lot? The newer version from the time you bought it, has the technology changed, or was it pretty advanced when you bought the bike?
I think when at the time, I think KTM came out with a lot of advanced stuff.
Okay.
It has, I don't need it, like
Right.
electronic suspension and stuff like that.
Okay.
Back then.
Back then.
That's when it started. Now today, like the screen is a completely
Different.
technology.
So
Motor-wise, I think they dropped it. I believe they're doing the 1090
okay.
equivalent.
So
This one
what's,
has been
what's your plan?
discontinued,
You're
yeah.
gonna keep this, get another KTM upgraded, or what is? Or are you just happy? You just gonna keep it?
You know, it's a very unique bike,
Yeah.
and the crunch that it has on the motor, I love it. I would love to have a newer one, but I'm very happy with this one.
Yes,
Very happy.
exactly. That's what I wanted to know.
Yeah,
is like,
I'm happy with this one as of now. So,
right.
yeah.
You're happy with it. It's
Right.
good.
Yeah, it does everything that I need. It really does. Well,
Well, nice meeting you.
Same way.
Thank you very much.
take care.
Addie.
Sergio.
Sergio. Nice meeting you, Sergio.
All right.